So here we have the Hyundai i20 on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, we have the speedometer. And then in the centre, you can see the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 43,233. Above that, we have the digital readout for the speedometer in the centre. We have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge in that section as well. You can change the trip computer information displayed there for various different things, some of which you can reset. So should you be going on a journey, you might want to reset, for example, your average miles per gallon. You can do that. And that is all done using this button and this one just here. We've got cruise control and speed limiter over that side as well. Stereo and phone controls on the left-hand side. And then in the center, the main stereo itself. So this is where you would pair your phone. You'd hit number 2 to add new. We're going to cancel that for now. When it comes to the radio, we've got DAB radio, as you can see, FM and AM as well. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do so via the CD player. If you press that media button, you'll be given your options, assuming something is connected or inserted. You can connect up, as I say, by inserting a CD into there. We've also got auxiliary and USB inputs as well. Main volume for the stereo is just here. Below that, we have the direction the air is being distributed in once it enters the car, the fan speed, and of course the temperature. The air conditioning is off at the moment. That button will turn it on. Same button to turn it off again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature that you've set over here. And then we've got our heated rear screen as well. Below that, we have USB input, auxiliary input, and a 12-volt charging socket. We then have your 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.